Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most advanced AI video creation platforms available in 2025, Google Flow and Runway Gen-3 Alpha. Both of these tools are at the forefront of AI-powered video generation, but they take different approaches. So whether you're a filmmaker, a content creator, or just someone fascinated by AI, this comparison will help you understand which tool might be right for you. Let's get started. Google Flow is part of Google Labs and powered by DeepMind's video generation model, known as VO. Think of Flow as a creative companion for storytellers. Its goal is to take an idea, whether written as a simple prompt or built from a set of assets, and transform it into a cinematic short video. What makes Flow stand out is a studio-like environment. It's designed not just as a raw AI engine, but as a place where you can plan, iterate, and refine your story. Flow allows you to bring in your assets like frames or images, or you can let the AI generate everything for you. It also has dedicated creative tools like ingredients to video, scene builder, and even camera control, so you can direct shots almost like a filmmaker would on set. Overall, Flow feels like Google's attempt at giving creators a complete video studio in the cloud, where AI isn't just a generator but a co-pilot in storytelling. Now let's talk about Runway Gen-3 Alpha. Runway has been leading in AI video tools for years, and Gen-3 represents their next big leap. It was released in mid-2024, and Gen-3 Alpha is a multimodal generative model, meaning it can handle text-to-video, image-to-video, and even text-to-image tasks all within one powerful system. The big improvement with Gen-3 Alpha compared to its predecessor Gen-2 is in motion fidelity, consistency, and realism. This model doesn't just generate short clips, it generates clips that flow smoothly with realistic movement, natural transitions, and even highly believable human characters. Now, what are the main features of both platforms? Let's go into detail. With Flow, there's a creative workflow environment. Flow is more than just a generator. It's designed like a studio where you can create, iterate, and polish your video projects. There's multiple generation modes. It offers text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video where you can mix different media elements. Scene Builder allows you to plan shots like a storyboard. And there's the cinematic camera controls. You can direct how the camera moves through your generated scene, adding a professional cinematic look. It is powered by VO. Flow's engine generates 1080p video output with strong understanding of prompts, delivering cinematic visuals. And there's also Flow TV. It's a showcase of short AI-generated films that demonstrate what creators are making with Flow, and this doubles as inspiration for new users. How are the features of Runway Gen-3 Alpha? Multimodal generation. It works with text prompts, images, and existing video clips, making it versatile for different creative needs. There's temporal and motion precision. Gen-3 Alpha focuses heavily on smooth, realistic movements, avoiding jittery or robotic animations. Photorealistic human generation. One of its biggest strengths is generating human characters with convincing body language, expressions, and emotions. Advanced control options. This includes camera pathing, keyframing, VFX integration, and motion brush for localized edits. Turbo mode. A faster, cheaper version of Gen-3 Alpha for quick drafts and experiments, and there's also customization for industry. Enterprises can fine-tune the model for consistent brand style or artistic vision. What is the pricing of both platforms like? For Flow, there's a free version at $0 per month. You have access to VO3, text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video, 1080p upscaling, and top-up credits available. And you also have access to Gemini app with 2.5 Pro and VO3 Fast Gemini in Gmail, Docs, and 2TB of storage, and other AI Pro benefits on the Google AI Pro version. There's the Google AI Ultra plan, which costs $124.99 per month for 3 months. How about Runway Gen-3 Alpha? They use a credit-based system, so the more you create, the more credits you use, and at the end you'll need to buy credits to be able to generate videos or use the AI. Now, what are the pros and cons of these platforms? We start with the pros for Flow. It is extremely intuitive and beginner friendly. It is designed for storytelling, not just raw generation, and there are a variety of creative tools, and it has a solid free tier to get started. How about the pros of Runway Gen-3 Alpha? It is one of the most powerful AI video engines available. It has strong realism, especially in the human characters and motion, and it's flexible enough for both individuals and large studios. And the cons of using Flow? Currently limited to 1080p, not 4K, and if you're a heavy user, the credit-based limits become restrictive. How about the cons of Runway Gen-3 Alpha? The credit-based pricing can get expensive for long projects and is less beginner-friendly compared to Google Flow. So, here's the million-dollar question. Which is the better AI video editor in 2025? The answer depends really on who you are and what you need. If you are a storyteller, a YouTuber, or a creative enthusiast who wants an easy and inspiring way to turn ideas into cinematic clips, then Google Flow is your best choice. Its simplicity, elegance, and storytelling tools make it perfect for creators who want results quickly without diving into technical details. But if you're a professional filmmaker, editor, or a production studio, and you need fine-grained control over motion, realism, and consistency, then Runway Gen-3 Alpha is the stronger option. It gives you precision, scalability, and creative depth, though at the cost of complexity and potentially higher pricing. And that's it on the comparison of Google Flow and Runway Gen-3 Alpha. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Runway Gen-4, Meta AI video tools, and OpenAI's Sora. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.